How to fix Roshade not working issue. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roshade not working issue. If Roshade isn't working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to identify and potentially resolve the issue. So issues can stem from various sources like installation errors, compatibility problems, or system requirements. For that, you can try some of the steps to resolve the issue. First of all, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for using Roshade. For that, you'll need to have compatible graphics card and enough system resources. Also, make sure your graphic drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. You can also try reinstalling the Roshade to ensure it was installed correctly. For that, uninstall the current version of Roshade and download the latest version from the official Roshade website. Then install that Roshade following the provided instructions carefully. Other software such as antivirus programs or other security tools might interfere with Roshade. So you can temporarily disable your antivirus or any conflicting software and see if the Roshade works or not. Also make sure that you are using the latest version of both Roblox and Roshade. If none of these steps work, you may need to reach out to the Roshade support team directly for more personalized assistance. So by following one of these steps, you will be able to fix Roshade not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.